Hello people, this is the part 2 of Stop Mugging Up Heart Murmurs. In the last video, we discussed about the systolic murmurs, and if you didn't watch that, I think you should take a look at that video for understanding this topic and getting a proper orientation of these things. In this video, we are going to discuss about diastolic murmurs. Okay, so as we discussed with systolic murmurs, we are going to trace the normal blood flow for this event. The diastolic phase, as we all know, the blood flows from the atrium to the ventricle, and this is normal. From the part 1, we discussed abnormal blood flow will cause murmur. Tell me now, what is going to be abnormal here? In the mitral and tricuspid valves, instead of blood flowing into the ventricle, if there is an obstruction to the normal blood flow, that is abnormal. Yeah? Yes. So a stenosis here is abnormal and it is causing disruption to the normal blood flow. Therefore, a mitral stenosis or a tricuspid stenosis will cause a diastolic murmur. Now let's take a look at these two valves, the aortic and pulmonary valve. What is going to be abnormal, do you think? When the blood flows backward. And what is backward flow of blood? Yes, a regurgitation lesion. So, aortic regurgitation and pulmonary regurgitation will cause a diastolic murmur. Isn't it super simple? Now come on, let's list out all the diastolic murmurs. Aortic regurgitation, pulmonary regurgitation, mitral stenosis and tricuspid stenosis. These are the lesions which cause diastolic murmurs. And just like that, we know which lesions causes which murmurs. I hope this video made sense to you. Thank you.